Settings, Notifications tab, Microsoft Teams. This is the area where you can enable messaging notifications using Microsoft Teams. The checkbox is where you enable or disable notification through Microsoft Teams. Once notification by Microsoft Teams is enabled, you then select how often you'd like to be notified. Always, or only if a test fails. Once you've made your selection, you then put down the Microsoft Teams channel email address so that the appropriate email can be linked to Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to press the Save button after you've made your changes to lock those changes in.